going to refuel.
Yeah.
Just if then we can refuel him.
It's heading this way. It's heading straight at us. I'm getting video, but I think he's just going straight over. Yeah, just leg it.
I was just talking to someone over near Lagoon 8.
There's one.
They got a warning this morning.
There's the other.
Yeah, it's coming to land, I'm going. See you later.
Yep. You want to get some good shots, go over to the hospital.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because the chopper's coming in, you look straight across the property and all you see is flood water.
I got home.